Good morning. I am Dr. Neeraj Shah. I am osteopath and podiatrist. So from yesterday we all are here for Yoga Summit and we are hearing one word constantly: yoga, balance, everything, right? But what actually our body is balanced? Where do we balance our body? The root cause. As any car requires a regular servicing, alignment and engine, cleansing of our body needs too. That means we purchase a car, we do regularly, we do the servicing and alignment. But what our body alignment? We don't do that regularly. See, this is root cause healing approach. Diseases, arthritis, diabetes, autoimmune disease, cancer, obesity, heart disease. These are just few we have taken into consideration. And the root cause is emotional, immune imbalance, digestive imbalance, structural imbalance. This is one of the most important part of everything. Structural imbalance. The way we stand, how balance is our body. Sir, ma'am. See, this is an imbalanced body and this is a balanced body. But balance starts with feet. Everything starts with feet. What is the first part of your body which comes in contact with the ground when you wake up in the morning? And what is the last part of your body which gets disconnected from the ground when you sleep? Foot. Everything starts with feet, ends with feet. One of our presenter today, when giving presentation, shifted weight 27 times in 5 minutes, like this. 27 times. Why? Because having a flat feet. There was imbalance in body. That's why constant changing the balance. It's shifting. Why? Because feet were imbalanced. Low arch. Flat feet. Arches are our body's first shock absorber system. The arch. That is why God has given us arches. If it's a flat, then biomechanically Biomechanically, 60% of our body weight should go on your hind foot, 40% on your forefoot. That is when your body is balanced. When this is not happening, then if you are having a flat feet, 80% of your body weight go on your hind foot. That's why then your pelvic will shift anteriorly. Then for maintaining the gravity, your shoulder will have to go rounded. Then your neck would have to come forward. And then because of this, all organs would go into compression zone, because according to osteopathy, all organs have their designated movement. Can you imagine your kidney moving 600, covering distance of 600 meters in 24 hours? When you breathe in, breathe out, in 24 hours, it's 600 meters. Now when you are having this postural imbalances, because you are having imbalance in your feet, one of the main reason of seizure is feet. Because female pelvis is broader than male pelvis, when there is imbalance in feet, there will be rotation in the pelvis, then there will be torsion and then the flaring, the baby. This will not happen properly, and that is why one of the main reason is imbalance in feet. If you can see, this is a 63-year-old patient, advised knee surgery, knee replacement surgery, 3 years back, having BP, sugar, because biomechanically his total body weight distribution is increased on his right hind foot. So it's like this, because 65% is going on hind foot, so according to gravity he will fall back. So he should not fall, so his left side is compensating. So it's cross syndrome. So when it is cross syndrome, his liver into compression, because every organ has its designated movement. So if you can see his fingers. We humans are not made for wearing footwears. Not at all. Because have you ever seen any animal wearing shoes or chappals?
No.
No. Then why they are not suffering with any problems, surgeries? And why we human? After having all the comfort? Because it's a very big trap. We don't know that foot has such importance. We all are sitting in an asymmetrical pattern right now. Everyone. No one is sitting in a symmetrical pattern. Someone is sitting like this, someone is sitting like this. So every organ is moving. But because of postural asymmetrical pattern, organ is not moving it's properly. Liver does 6 to 7 cycles, up, left, right, up, left, right. In 1 minute it performs 6 to 8 cycles. Now when I am sitting like this, see, up it's going, it's not going down. So it's bound, then my insulin resistance will happen, my BP will shoot up. PCOS, PCOD, though it's a hormonal imbalance, but why? Because your ovary is into compression. Now why your ovary is into compression? Because you are having a flat feet, that's why your hamstring, calf muscle are tight. So your pelvis, fascia is pulling it down, and that's why ovary is not moving. So you are suffering with PCOS, PCOD. Okay. So the solution, it takes 365 days to revive your nervous system. If I were to revive your nervous system to correct your correct posture, it would take me 365 days. But in these 365 days, you are performing yoga, Zumba, pilates, everything, jogging, knowing that your biomechanical weight distribution is not even, and that's why you are suffering with problem. So solution is, I would recommend you customize arch support. By doing that, your biomechanics are corrected. Then it will take me 3 months to correct your biomechanics. I am a flat feet. I was a professional cricket player. My weight distribution was 80% on my hind foot, 20% on my forefoot. So I was having tremendous back pain. So when I started doing this, I corrected my insoles. Now I am wearing a customized insole. Now wearing this customized insole, you ask me to treat 100 patients in a day. I will not sit. I will stand continuously. But as soon as I remove my shoes and I wear any other normal shoes or barefoot, I cannot treat more than 5 people. After 5 people, I will catch my back, I will catch my neck. Why? Because my body biomechanics are not corrected. But by wearing customized insoles, now my body biomechanics are correction, now I am standing. If you observe everyone, those who are giving presentation, everyone is, it's moving. Why? Because there is imbalance. You sit cross-legged. Why? There is imbalance in your body. That's why. It's not you are sitting. It's your body is doing this correction because there is imbalance in your femur and fibia and tibula. That's why. Okay.
Can I close?
Thank you, sir.